CCTV.
All-Star Football Academy Pindeng Ray, Kalayok Khur ka nam lado, ha Second Republic D Cup on the 16 district level. Ya ka bala pinlong, da Nongstoin Football Association, ringkat kajing snok tilang, ka office jong Deputy Commissioner ku West Khasi Hills District. Kajing la jong ko All-Star Football Academy, Banyok Khur ka nam lado, kadi hadian baklala ban pinlim no, ya ka mau pansia dalai le shigol, lingba kajing shoot tiebreaker. Ha kajing kun final, kablalong, ha ka apulai tri ko kala lingkot arajar arpun riu. Ya kadi kalimpong lapan ha perda do MLA ka Nongstoin constituency ba Gabriel Walang, ringkat kajing don lang ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka West Khasi Hills District, ka Hema Nayak, ka District Sports Officer ka kong BCM, kinong kitkam ka MFA bat kiwe-kiwe.
Nagbanta jong fi, kajing sim kia jong fi, namar fi ki player, takadaw, fisim, pakalongkum ka kam ka jong fi. Tinang kresitom, ka association haru mene frai ringkat ba fi, bane don ringkat ba fi hakanok no ko. Kajing kran ringkat ka jong akalong. Baro abagi wan, dapet da aju, da day mangan, da day DC, da day ki officer, kinun officer. Isitom ha banyo ya ko. Henry, he managed pade. Hindi kumno bang punya je ko. Lara ni nang ko punya je ko. Kata kade ke disang jong ka jingkiu, aga jingim ka jungi. Kumjo ko firo. Kajinga jong fi ban manage ka por ka jong fi hawai fi le kai ka kompas ka jong fi ka discipline ka jong fi. Ka dei hi ka ka punlong ka finjo ya ka ni ka thong ka ni le nanta bismi.
Whenever we start something on national days or any other days, it's usually for that 1 year. It's very difficult to continue any these type of local initiatives. We all know how difficult it is to continue. For that, I would like to congratulate the association and district sports office for keeping the spirit on and continuing with this. And also to the teams from, I think one is from Nongstoin and other is from Ramrai. For both the teams, I wish the best. Meghalaya government is keeping sports as one of the key priority areas. If you look at this, next year we have the iconic year for Meghalaya. We'll be hosting the national games next year. So the way Meghalaya Games and Northeast Olympics and national games, so we are going in the right direction in when it comes to sports. And sports is not just for the sake of enjoyment or play. It is to maintain physical health, mental health for all the age groups across the district. And in the coming year also, we'll be hosting a lot of different sports activities, and football will be one of our priorities. And district level, block level, we'll be conducting many sports activities. I urge all of you to participate. I think now because the schools are closed, so we don't see many children. Otherwise, I'm sure to watch football match we'll be getting thousands of public and children. So in the coming days also, I hope we get good participation. Lastly, I thank our Honorable MLA sir for giving his time and being present here today with
Kemudian